Hello everyone, welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create a very simple Excel dashboard. So we have data here. This is a sales data, and we are creating a simple dashboard with this totals: unit sold, total revenue, total cost, and total profit. So let us begin. We're going to create a new worksheet, and we will create insert a shape. Okay, around the rectangle shape. This is one. And to add, we are going to add this details about. We are going to add now unit sold. How many units? Yeah, how many units we sell in the current period. Okay. Go to the sheet one, and how to insert this data, which will be dynamically changing. So when we change the data here to 8,800, the data also in the dashboard should change. So what is the procedure for that? So I've had to put the data from here to there. Okay, so just press the rectangle here and type equal to, then go to your data spreadsheet or sheet, then just press the total here and press enter. Excel dynamically updates the data here. Okay, so we had to format this to our requirement. So just press here, make it bigger. Then if you want to change the color, yeah, white looks better, and just center it. Okay, so here is the data. So if somebody looks at this data, they should know what it is. So we should add another rectangle here. So just copy paste, Ctrl G and drag, and we will remove the data from here. And we just add what are this is the total units sold. Total units sold. Alright, so we will group this together so it will move together. So just right click and group, so it will move together. Alright, now we have to add what else? Let's add for total revenue. Okay, so we will just copy this shape here, and we will revenue. So we will change the formula here. Just press here and equal to go to all details and press total revenue, and Excel automatically updates. You just press here. Now there is no format painter available, so we have to increase the size. Only this. Okay. Just increase the size, change the color. Yeah. It looks nice, I think. Now we will duplicate the shapes once again. Okay. Now from our details, we have to copy what? We have to copy again total cost and total profit. So this is our total cost, this. So just press equal to. This is so our total cost is ready. Now we have to add profit. This is our profit, and we will change the formula here. Equal to, go to details tab, then this is our total profit. Just format it once again. The home tab, press, and change the color. So this. So we can change the colors, you can change format with the format. If you want to change this to something else, let's double click there in this shape and I'm going to change it. Oh, this looks cool. Okay, we will change. But now we insert the company name or whatever you want. If you want, insert the shape. Just add text, logo, whatever you want. Maybe you can be limited. Our very simple dashboard is ready. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.